E-Verify is an online system managed by the U.S. Department of Homeland Security, DHS, in collaboration with the Social Security Administration, SSA. It allows employers to confirm the employment eligibility of newly hired employees by electronically matching the information provided on an employee's I-9 form against federal records. Here's a breakdown of its purpose and who needs to use it. Purpose of E-Verify. E-Verify's goal is to help employers maintain a legal workforce by verifying that employees are authorized to work in the U.S. This helps in identifying unauthorized workers and reducing cases of identity fraud. Who needs to use E-Verify? Federal contractors and subcontractors. Employers who have contracts with the federal government may be required to use E-Verify, especially if the contract contains the Federal Acquisition Regulation, FAR E-Verify clause. State-specific requirements. Some states have their own requirements for E-Verify use. For example, certain states mandate all or some employers to use E-Verify, often depending on the number of employees or industry, employers opting for additional compliance. Some private employers voluntarily use E-Verify to ensure compliance and avoid penalties for hiring unauthorized workers. Special cases. Some immigration processes, such as the STEM OPT program, require employers to use E-Verify for international students seeking work authorization extensions. Note: E-Verify is free to use, but participation involves obligations and, in some cases, requirements for specific record-keeping and reporting.